Are you tired of sending emails in the same old font? Today, I'm going to show you how to change Gmail's default text so your messages are not only readable but also reflect your personal style. Whether you prefer something sleek and professional or fun and eye-catching, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open your Gmail account and log in. Once you're in your inbox, head to the top right corner and click on the small gear icon, the gateway to all your Gmail settings. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. You'll now see a full settings page with several tabs. Make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the section called Default Text Style. Here, Gmail shows your current font. Click on the font name and a menu will appear with all the available font options. Take a moment to browse through the styles. Maybe you want something classic like Arial or Times New Roman, or perhaps something with a bit more personality. Once you find the perfect fit, click to select it. You'll notice the preview updates immediately so you can see how your emails will look. Now, here's the most important step. Scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save Changes. This ensures Gmail applies your new font to every email you compose from now on. And that's it. Your Gmail messages now have a fresh, personalized look that's completely yours. Changing your default text isn't just about aesthetics. It makes your emails easier to read and adds a touch of personality to your communication. And remember, you can always revisit the settings to experiment with different fonts whenever you like. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Gmail tips and tricks. Your inbox just got a little more stylish.